Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit curtain walls, mullions, and panels. First, modify the curtain wall. Step 1. To add curtain wall grids, open a view. It can be an elevation view. You may close the floor plans. Step 2. For the Eames house project, confirm the imported base drawing, elevations are in the correct locations. Step 3. Click Curtain Grid on Architecture tab. Step 4. Select all segments or one segment. Step 5. Click Grid Lines and use dimensions for accurate distance based on the imported elevations. Step 6. You can edit the grid, click the grid, and click Add/Remove segments. Complete for all 4 exterior walls. Second, add curtain wall mullion. Step 1. On the elevation, click mullion on the Architecture tab. Step 2. You may choose all grid lines, grid line, or grid line segment. Step 3. You may choose a specific type of mullion by clicking Properties, and you can edit the type as well. You can change material, size, profile, the width of sides, angle, and offset. Step 4. Click Lines to apply the mullion type that you selected. Third, modify mullion. Step 1. If you need to change the mullion type, you can click the mullion that you made and change the properties. Step 2. If you need to change the mullion type and join order, click the mullion you want to change and click plus on the view to change the order. Last, to change the panel from glazing to solid, door, or window. Step 1. Select the panel to change by multiple tab keys. Step 2. Change properties to what you need. Step 3. If you need to change the properties, click Edit Type and click Duplicate and change the value. Step 4. If you need to add a new type, load Family first and change the properties. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to add and edit curtain walls, mullions, and panels. Thank you.